Hey y'all, it's your girl Nurse B and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now, before we start, let's get down to business. Hit that subscribe button. You want to subscribe? Just hit that button. Don't hesitate, just do it. Hit that button. Great video for you guys today. Today's video is going to give you guys some motivation on how to end the spring semester, especially if you're in nursing school, nice and strong. So sit back, relax, get a glass of green juice, and let's begin. Woo! While winter break is over, now it's time to return back to the book, late night studying. Whew. For some people, this is the time where you are stressed, like hair pulling out your head, stress. But don't fret, I got you. We're gonna finish this semester nice and strong. We're gonna finish, we're gonna succeed, and we're gonna end this semester strong. So let me give you some tips on how to get back on track and do this. So I have some notes, so if you see me looking away, I'm not being rude, I'm just, I got some notes. If you've been doing this, or if you have not been doing this since the beginning of the semester, why did I say been, Lord? So if you have been doing this, I hope you have been doing this. But if not, get yourself a planner. I feel like for me personally, when I have a brand new planner, especially like a new year, just get, it's a fresh slate. Get yourself a nice planner. Very simple, affordable. You don't have to get anything like all fancy, because you're in nursing school. You're on a budget, honey. Okay, so get yourself a planner. Write down all your important dates. Write down your exam dates. Write down what days you have clinical. You need a planner to keep yourself organized. That is important, and it's extremely crucial in nursing school. You need to be organized. 2, look through your syllabus. I don't know how many times, like, I do this all the time. I don't look at my syllabus. Why? I don't know. I go to class, like, I'll be like, oh, the teacher will say, no, look through your syllabus. Your syllabus is literally your best friend in nursing school. So before school starts, usually the professor will put your semester up on the site a week or 2 before the start of the new semester. Go through your syllabus, highlight important dates, and put those dates in your planner. But if you don't like to have a planner, like a physical planner, put it in your phone. It's 2020. Y'all need to download that calendar app or something. Just put it somewhere that you're going to remember. There's no excuse. There's no excuse to not know what day something is because you didn't plan accordingly. I'm just saying. No shade. I'm just saying. Now, one thing that really helped me, and I always tell all my friends now that are in nursing school who are always like, what advice can you give me? The best advice that I can give somebody now, no lie, go to the Dollar Tree. Let's be honest, when you're in nursing school, you can't even work. So it's either like you're broke, like you're broke Betty, like broke. Go to the Dollar Tree. You're gonna thank me later. Go to the Dollar Tree. Buy yourself a dry erase planner. Buy yourself a dry erase board. A dry eraser board. I'm telling you, this was life-changing for me. One of my friends put me on, and ever since then, this is how I studied. And when I tell you it helps, it helps. And I'm only here to, help you. No, get yourself a dry erase planner, and when you're studying, literally study. Before you, don't even look at the planner, put the planner to the side. Alright, the dry eraser board to the side. But while you're studying, you're reviewing, you're doing everything. Now, once you're done studying that section or whatever section or chapter for the day, you go back with the dry eraser board, and you write down everything you remember. Do that do it 3 to 5 times. No lie. Right. If for me personally, after I read, and after like I recited things, when I wrote, it helped me a lot because it showed me where my weak spots were and showed me where my strong points were. So then I just focused on the weaker points to study. Why study things that I already know? So I need to focus on the things that I'm weak on, right? Yeah, that's right. 2. Was that 2 or 3? Was that 2 or 3? Colorful pens and highlighters. This is crucial. I think like color coordination, like just different colors, it helps a lot. For instance, like when I would study, what I would do is I would go in, I would read. I read before class. Sometimes, I'm gonna be honest, sometimes when I had time, I would read before class. Now, when the teacher, when I go to class now, I would take notes in black. This is what the teacher is saying. How teachers will be, focus on this, but I'm not sick. All these games. So I would go in with black. I'll write down all the notes from that class. Your girl's got a cold. Excuse me. Then I would go home, and while I am reviewing at home, I would go in with a red pen, okay? Just to see like what I missed and stuff like that. And when I was really, really studying for the exam, I would go in with any color that I chose. It could have been like purple, it could have been pink, any other color. So then that way you can see the progression of how you're studying. You'll see, okay, this is what the notes I took. This is other notes that I took on my own. And this is notes that like popped up while I was studying. All these are helpful ways to review. So it's very simple. You don't have to do a lot. Have your dry erase board. Have some colorful pens and pencils. And lastly, make sure you have highlighters. Highlighters are key. Like any nursing student that you know will have like a little pencil case or like a bag full of highlighters. Highlighters are your friend in nursing school, okay? It's okay if your paper looks like a rainbow. This is how you learn. This is how you are able to retain information. Do what works for you. Don't, do what works for you. For me personally, having my dry eraser board, having my colorful pencils and pen, and having highlighters all help. And don't forget your planner. That is the most important thing. You need to plan. In nursing school, it's really about planning and time management. You are always on the go, from going to class to going to clinicals and having to study for exams. This is very, very important. You need to plan your time accordingly. If you do these 3 simple steps, planner, dry erase, colorful pens and markers, and your highlighters, you will be Gucci and you will be on your way to completing your spring semester, passing, honey. And you know what? Don't forget to like come. Don't forget to like come and tell me, let me know. Be like, hey B, that tip helped. I completed that semester. Hey, and I'll be happy. I'm gonna be like, I told you, bro. I got you. I got you. This girl is killing me. Until next time, it's your girl Nurse Upbeat. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and most importantly, don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Leave me a comment. Let me know what other tools or what other things help you complete the mess. That was bad. It's your girl Nurse Beat. Don't forget to hit that subscribe. Don't forget to hit that like button down below and leave a comment. Most importantly, leave a comment. Let me know what other tools or resources do you use to help you study, and finish the semester strong, especially when the weather is getting kind of nice out and you want to be out, you know, drinking your mimosas or a glass of prosecco, but you can't. You're gonna be studying, and it's okay. It's okay. It's temporary. We're suffering temporary. All right, guys. Till next time, it's your girl Nurse B. Goodbye.